Just a quick little video to show you how I attach leather to pre-curved side panels on a pair of speakers I built. You got to cover them with a felt, thin felt there, and then the leather. Just use spray adhesive to attach the felt, and then the same thing for the leather. It gets wrapped around and glued with hot glue gun into that groove there. So shoot the hot glue into the groove, and then pull the leather over and use that auto body squeegee to really press that leather fabric into the groove real tight. Get it in there real good. And here's the corner. Same thing, you can use hot glue and put it in there. For the corner, it's a little tricky because you got to get a lot of material pulled real tight so that it doesn't lump up and show up as like a pucker. But if you do it right, as you can see, it comes out pretty good. It's pretty stretchy. This isn't real leather, it's a fabric leather. So I've got the one pairs for one speaker done, and the other pairs still need to be worked on, but I'm getting there. So after you've got them done, you just basically take a sharp X-Acto knife, put that in the same groove that you used to attach the hot glue, and then use that as kind of a stop so the knife can't go any further. You got to make a few passes where it's thick, but it basically does tear off, and it's not too hard to do actually. Here's a picture of one panel done on both sides, and then I attached the panels to the speakers themselves with some of that Gorilla Construction adhesive. I didn't put a ton on, I just wanted enough on so that it wouldn't come off, but not so much that I couldn't pry it off later if there was a problem and I needed to redo it. So a little clamping pressure, and these things glue right on, and they've looked nice ever since. So here's what they look like finished. Not too bad if I do say so myself. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it.